Minstrel boy to the war is gone. In the ranks of death you'll find him. His father's sword he has girded on, and his wild heart slung behind him. Land of song, said the warrior bard, though all the world betrays thee, one sword at least thy rights shall guard, one faithful heart shall praise thee. Fell, but the foeman's chain could not bring his proud soul under. The harp he loved ne'er spoke again, for he tore its chords asunder, and said, no chains shall sully thee, the soul of love and bravery. Thy songs were made for the pure and the free. They shall never sound in slavery. Land of song, said the warrior bard, though all the world betrays thee, one sword at least thy rights shall guard, one faithful heart shall pray.